guys, Becki-licious here. Today we are going to make a bacon cheeseburger pie. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? So I'm going to go ahead and get started by getting the pan ready for our ground beef. We've got a pound of ground beef. So we're going to get that in the skillet along with a small onion that I chopped up earlier. So let's get this going first. This hamburger meat is almost all the way cooked up. Onions are getting nice and brown. I already cooked up some bacon earlier. We need 6 slices of bacon, so we're going to get this chopped up because this is going to get crumbled up and put into the ground beef and the onion. And so while I'm doing this, don't forget to like and share with your friends and subscribe and click on the link tree and, you know, support me because I love you all. All right, this ground beef and this onion all cooked up. So now we're going to add in the 6 slices of bacon that I chopped up. And we're going to get those all incorporated in there. So all those yummy juices all get on there. Okay. So we're going to bring this over here. Let me grab my pie pan because like I said, this is a bacon cheeseburger pie. So I've got my pie pan. It's already panned up and everything. So we're going to transfer this yummy meat. I'm going to try not to get too much of that grease in there. But I did use the very, very lean ground beef, so it's not too bad. So we're going to get this all into the pie pan, and then we're going to go to our next step, okay? All right, the next step in this bacon cheeseburger pie is the cheeses. So I've got a little bit of mozzarella cheese and a little bit of Colby Jack cheese. So we're just gonna get this all blended in there. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so good. All right, so now we are going to start on the topping that goes over the top. So we've got some milk. We got to get all this whisked together. A couple of eggs. And then this is all going to go into the oven. Oven is already on 350 degrees. But of course, I try to be a little bit prepared in that regard. And then we've got some flour. And then all of our seasoning, which is just salt and pepper and then some garlic powder. So just about half a teaspoon of each. And we're just going to get this all whisked together till it's all nice and smooth. And then we're going to get this on top of the pie, okay? All right, we're getting this all whisked up till it's all nice and smooth. Okay, looking good, looking good. All right, so this is all ready. So now we're just going to pour this completely over the ground beef, the onion, and all that cheese. Oh, I got all that yumminess. All right. We're going to bake this for about 35 minutes, okay? So let's throw this in the oven. Sounds good, doesn't it? All right, in we go. All right. Keep our fingers crossed, and I'll see you back here in about 35 minutes. Okay, this bacon cheeseburger pie has been in the oven for about 35 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and pull it out. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. How yummy that looks. Look at that. All right, so we're going to let this cool a little bit, and then we will plate it up. I'm going to chop up a little bit of, I think, pickles to put on top since it's like a cheeseburger. So I thought some of my spicy pickles might be good on top. So yeah, so let's get this plated up. All right. Got our piece of bacon cheeseburger pie all plated up. I've got some chopped up pickle and some chopped up tomato in the refrigerator. So we're going to grab those and sprinkle those on our piece. And it's time to try this out. So there we go. A little bit of chopped tomato. And I like my spicy pickles. Those are my faves. And there you go. Well, another fun adventure in the kitchen. I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves. I know I did. I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye. Good stuff.